Hey, buddy! How you doing?
What's this thing?
Well, so this is what is called a CNC machine.
I wouldn't know what that is.
Right. What you do is you crawl into it.
Yeah.
I will close the door.
Should I put my camera in?
And you'll get a shower. Well, we
Yeah,
already got.
Lars, how was the keynote?
The keynote was amazing. Amar kicked it off, and then Stephen Hooper took over and showed the vision of Autodesk.
So is Fusion 360 a CAD system or a CAM application? Is it a simulation tool or a data management package? It's not one of these things, it's all these things.
It's amazing. It's just raising the whole thing to another level.
Here with Sean Manzanares.
There you go.
So we've been working this year on the product innovation platform. What is that? What does that even mean? Those are words.
If you
What do
look
those
at it
words
literally, it's a platform, right? Well,
So you're talking about CAD?
yeah, if you're looking at what we're
Talking
trying to do, is
about
we're trying
CAM.
to help people do the design of their products, make
Yep.
their products industrial design, parametric design. You're also able to take advantage of manufacturing tools.
Man, come on. Get it together.
So Tyler, so far I think the whole thing has been fantastic. I've been talking to a lot of customers and they love it. They just love this.
What were the comments from the customers?
The biggest comment I have gotten is, can I have a keychain?
Yeah.
But I of course I say yes. But that's only because I make.
Can I have a keychain?
Yes.
Boom. All right, I'm here with John Saunders.
How's it going?
Good. So John, what are you up to?
I am drinking a coffee,
Good.
enjoying the last few hours
Yep,
of
we're wrapping
an
up.
awesome but pretty exhausting in the best way possible week here at AU. Yeah,
And then you put some content out every week. Really good content.
I do.
So Wednesdays, what are you doing on Wednesdays?
Wednesday we do the Wednesday widget, so it's a
Okay.
video on something machining related, project related. I do a lot with Arduinos as well, so like physical computing. For me, like I remember when I was a kid and I saw my first like automation robot at a science museum, and that's what I was just like, that's what I love. I always
Yep.
thought that was something you could never reach.
And then Fridays you do something too.
I do something, I just call it Fusion Friday.
Yep.
So for me, it's all about, I hate to sound cheesy, but like the democratization of manufacturing. So with stuff like Fusion 360, anybody can do it. You can access the
Yep.
software, you can afford the software, you can make great CAD parts, you can make great CAM toolpaths. So how do you break down those barriers? How do you make it so that people can learn to make the stuff they want to make?
And this is your background, right? Like you're a CNC certified programmer, you're machining your whole life.
Yeah, so
you went to
never-
engineering school, right?
Went to school for finance and entrepreneurship.
Nice.
And never worked. I never worked a day in my life
you-
for
so
in
you
this
just
industry.
picked this up.
It's totally self-taught.
That's awesome. So people can do that, right? They don't have to.
People can do that, and look, we've had people help us along the way, and I think that's why I originally started the YouTube channel, was to pay it forward.
Yep.
You know,
Yep.
it's not about me; it's about everyone doing this.
Yep. Yeah, it's a great channel.
Hey, thank you. I appreciate it.
Check out the link below. Okay, we're at the design and manufacturing booth. I'm with Kimberly. Kimberly, I was checking out this thing. Can you explain it to me?
I can. So this is the very first full-scale print. You can see it's a giant ABB robot arm. We left this parts of it
There we go.
open, so you can actually see the infill here.
So it's a lattice technology, right?
It is, and
Okay.
this Project Escher technology, we're actually integrating into NetFab, so it'll have
Great,
advanced
okay.
print preparation. I can't wait to see where this is going to go next. So this is really just the beginning. As I said, the first print
Yeah.
off this first third-party machine. You know, we have a few workshops around the world. We have Pier 9, the build space in Boston that just opened. Show how they're all connected using Fusion Connect and Fusion Lifecycle.
Okay, Marty. What do you got to show me?
This is as it was designed in the actual car. So, and then we ran topology optimization simulation on it in Fusion.
And I'm here with John. He's a new addition to the tech marketing team.
Okay, the guy that I look after mostly is called PowerShape.
Okay.
It's a CAD tool that's designed primarily for making sure that parts can be machined. More specifically, that they can be molded. I play guitar, but not terribly well.
Who are some of your heroes on the guitar? Who do you
On the
listen
guitar, Jimmy Page. Another hero, Hendrix, Kossoff.
What's your brand of choice? Guitar. Go.
Gibson.
Gibson. Lars had a Fender shirt on the other day,
I
didn't
noticed
he,
that.
in one of his videos?
I did notice that.
That was a bad move.
It was a very bad.
What you doing, buddy?
Get that out of my face, man.
Get out of here.
How you been? Doing really well.
Whoops. What were the takeaways from the keynote?
The takeaway
today?
is the product innovation platform.
Yeah, it's going. Jay Tedeschi, everybody.
It's an F3 race car for the street.
Okay. So you're kind of passionate about industrial design, maybe sometimes.
Yeah.
What excites you about Fusion 360?
The rate at which we add feature functionality in there.
You've done some cool tips on LinkedIn.
Yes.
You did some for Fusion Lifecycle. You've done some for Fusion
360.
Yep.
Yes.
Here with Saoirse. And what do you do, Saoirse?
I am a Fusion Lifecycle implementation consultant. So the title of my presentation was picking the low-hanging fruits to drive early adoption.
Hey, I'm here with Brian Kester. What do you do, Brian?
I run IoT products and services for Autodesk.
Nice.
Yeah, we primarily are helping people who make complex machinery develop advanced services around that machinery.
Okay.
IoT is relatively affordable and pretty expensive these days, but you can get a lot of value out of it if you have a really complex, higher-priced product.
All right, I'm here with Aaron Magnan. Aaron, you've been making some awesome Fusion content. Saw it on main stage, it was sweet. But you've been making some really cool tips and learning tutorials. You had a cool webinar. What's coming? Are you on email? Are you on the World Wide Web? Link should pop up. Pop up link.